Hey guys, today I'll be going over the BMW M6 E63. It's a in-depth tour of the exterior, interior, all the cool features that this car has, and just all the info about it, performance figures and everything. So yeah, time to get into it. So this car does have comfort access. You just put your hand on the back of the door and that's how you unlock it. And then to lock it, you just put your thumb right here. Or you just grab the door handle, comfort access. So as you can see, the car does have black Napa leather. It comes with the individual sound system. The door sills actually do light up. It's kind of hard to see right now since it's pretty bright out. The back seats are not much room back there. You can see that if you have legs, you're pretty much not sitting in the back seats. So now that we're in the car, you can see that you know, the windows are here. This is the mirrors, how you fold the mirrors up. Push that button, mirrors fold up for whenever you're going to park. Soft close doors, so what you do is you just hardly close it. You can see it latches together and closes on its own. This car does come equipped with automatic headlights. This car also comes with automatic brights. What you do is you just push this forward and you can see the icon pop up on the next to the N. This is how you can tilt the steering wheel up and down towards you or away from you. And this little button right in front of that is the heated steering wheel. Push that and that's how you turn on the heated steering wheel. The car does come equipped with automatic windshield wipers, which the sensor's right up in there. Since the car has comfort access, you don't have to put the key in the slot. All you do is put your foot on the brake, put the car in neutral, press the button. That's how you start the car. The M6 comes with this carbon fiber trim, which is really cool. It's in a few different places. It's center console right there. It's also over here on the doors, right there on the dash. It's over here as well. And if you can see back here, it's in the back too. The headrests do have the M logo on it. Kind of cool texture. This is a 2010 M6, so it does have the CIC iDrive system, which is an awesome system to have. You can see here, you can get vehicle info, vehicle status, and then actually a really cool little thing is that car is an M6, if you can see, which is pretty cool. Nice attention to detail on this. This car does have heated seats, parking sensors, which you can activate by this button, or you can also activate it by putting it into reverse. This car has the sequential manual gearbox, which is just the SMG. It's not bad, you know, that's first gear. You push it to the right again and that goes into drive. And then, you know, that's neutral and that's reverse. This is how you can adjust the shift settings. Comes with this cool little cup holder. It's actually detachable. As you can see there, that covers it up. You open this little thing up right here and you just slide the cup holder into the slot inside of the rear cup holder. Maybe one day. There you go, come on, go on. There it is, and then you just close that and that has no cup holder anymore. The most impressive part about the M6 is the engine under the hood. That's what we'll go on to show you right now. This engine produces 507 horsepower, 383 foot-pounds of torque. It's a 5.0 liter V10. And she drinks oil like no other. And gas. And parts. And your money. The exterior of the car is Alpine white, and it does have LCI taillights and LCI headlights. The way you get in the trunk is by tilting the BMW logo backwards, and the trunk opens. As you can see there, there's a decent amount of trunk space. And there is a ski pass-through, so you can, you know, when you're going skiing or snowboarding, you can put your skis in the back. As you can hear, the exhaust has a nice little growl. And it is stock exhaust on this car. You can see here, mufflers. The car comes equipped with the carbon fiber roof to shed the weight from the sunroof. You see here it's real carbon fiber, not wrapped. Looks pretty good. The car has 19-inch wheels front and back. The rears are also 19s, and they have 285 35/19 tires on them. One of the main differences between the LCI and the non-LCI M6 is the mirrors. The mirrors on the LCI M6 are much wider, as in from here to here. On the normal M6, they stop about right here. So they're a lot thinner and a lot less practical whenever you're actually driving on the road. Another key difference between an LCI M6 and a non-LCI M6 is the headlights right here is white on the LCI M6, and on the non-LCI it'll be orange. And also on an LCI M6 it'll have a reflector on the side. One neat feature that the M6 has is the M6 side grills. Yes, normal 6 Series has them, but it doesn't have the M6 badge right here, which is a pretty cool feature as well. And there's the side blinker for the car. LED headlights and LED tail lamps. As you can see, it has parking sensors in the front and rear. It does have chrome tips for the exhaust and a really neat rear bumper. Sprayers for the headlights. Heads-up display. Real-time RPM monitor. And it'll show you in the middle, as you can see there. You switch it to first. It'll show you the gear that you're in and the miles per hour that you're going. Has 30,000 miles on it right now, which is really low for an M6. A very cool design element of the M6 is how this right here goes all the way up and around and back down here. It really ties the whole interior together. You know, it starts down here. It goes all the way up and up and up and up there and all the way back around and all the way back down in there. Can't forget about the Alcantara headliner. Makes the car look very, very expensive on the inside. They even wrapped the sun visors in Alcantara. Nice leather steering wheel with the heat. This is the M button. This turns on your M mode. All your presets, EDC, power, DSC, shift setting is all controlled by one button right here. Time to drive the M6. Oh yes, we are going to drive.